You guys seem to love the previous video when we took the FRS out and finally drove it for like the first time in so many months. This car right here pretty much started my channel, and ever since we've been working on the other projects, this car has pretty much been like abandoned. Today, I want to go ahead and make a video with the FRS and kind of bring it back to the old times when we'd film with this car. A few things that I want to do to this car since the car has been sitting. If you guys are excited for more FRS content, leave a like on the video. And yeah guys, let's have some fun with the FRS today. Alright, we got ourselves on a little we got ourselves on a little dirt road. I literally just took the thumbnail for the previous video right now, just for more little abandoned vibes. You know, we had to go out on a little dirt road. Oh my gosh. As I would not do this if I was on my work wheels, so I'm just doing this because we're on the stocks. We're on the stocks right now, so it's completely fine. That's a pothole. I need a truck, guys. It's so fun going in like the mud and stuff. I need like a truck. I want to get one so freaking bad. So today I actually want to throw on these wheels onto the FRS. If you guys have been following the BRZ build, you guys know that we actually got these Meisters off of this car originally. So yeah, today I thought it'd be cool to kind of just like throw it back onto, you know, the FRS where it came from, since it's been sitting and kind of just looking really ugly. So yeah, I want to make this thing look somewhat good again for today's video, just for fun. And right here we have a package from Subi Speed. They actually sent something out for the FRS, which we are going to be throwing on today. So yeah, we got a new mod for the FRS. Let's put some wheels on it and make it look somewhat cool for today's video. Side done, dude, look at that poke. This car looks so weird with wheels on. I haven't seen it like this, it's so long. The BRZ is back on its OEM stocks. Just want to show you guys real quick. So since we're running a lot of camber on the FRS, these are actually slotted. So usually this bolt, it goes through like obviously like a normal size hole. So we actually slotted it so it's like an oval. So for more camber, we can literally push it in and the wheel will tilt in. So this is like OEM, like normal. After you slot it, that's like a good 8 or -9 degrees right here. So that's how we did it on the FRS and the BRZ. Cool thing about it is slotting is cheap. It literally does not cost anything, and doesn't cost hundreds of dollars like other parts. Here's the progress so far. Just the wheels. Probably gonna clean it up tomorrow as well. It definitely needs a wash. It's been raining a lot down here in San Diego, so there's mud on all of the cars. You can see right here, it's absolutely filthy. Yeah guys, the FRS is, I guess you can say, back. It's running, it's alive, and we put some wheels on it for the first time in a while. thing sounds so freaking good. Alright guys, we got the FRS back in the garage. Literally, I think the last thing we've changed is like the exhaust, and that was such a long time ago. So today we have a new package from Chula Speed. So as you can see, these are the FT86 Speed Factory headlights for the FRS, BRGS, or GT86. We're gonna be replacing these. As you can see, it's just really starting to fade along the sides. There's a lot of damage right here from removing the front bumper on and off. I feel like once the headlights start to go bad and look kind of like dusty, it just, I don't know, it just messes up the whole vibe on the front. These should definitely change it up a lot. And these are sick. First time seeing them in person, actually. I'm actually missing a lot of pieces with the headlights. So usually there's like a bracket right here to support it to like the fender, I think. We're missing that because actually the V3 front bumper kind of gets in the way. When I was installing it, it was getting in the way. So we actually took that headlight bracket off. The only thing that's holding it, I think, is just this 10 mil right here, this 10 mil right here, and we're missing one right here. So literally two freaking bolts. Okay, headlight installs are typically very easy, but these are so freaking annoying to take off if there's like little rocks in between like the button. Like you have to press this down obviously to release it. Oh, I got it. But dude, when there's rocks in between here, which won't allow you to press it, it is so annoying to take off. Yeah, I was literally doing that for like 30 minutes. Alright guys, old headlights are out. This right here just reminds me of working on this car like years ago. I would always just work on this thing, change out literally every single thing on this car, and it just brings me back, literally brings me back right now, because that's what we would do. Literally, before any other car that we had, we would only have the FRS. I don't know, stuff like this, small modifications, just it brings me back. It's such a good feeling. Before we throw these onto the car, I want to mention that I do have a discount code for Chula Speed or FT Speed. If you guys are like interested in like these headlights or the majority of the stuff that they carry on their website, use code BRGS STI for 10% off majority of the products on their site. You know, if you guys have like a 2022 BRZ, an STI or WRX or FRS, they carry literally all the parts for these cars. Got you guys with that discount code to save you guys a little bit of money. Honestly, huge thank you to Chula Speed for constantly supporting us on the channel. They always come through, and just massive shout to them. So with that being said, that's enough talking. Let's get these headlights onto the FRS. What's to install without running into issues? Headlights do not want to go on. Something is hitting right here. It's not letting me push the headlight all the way in. And we go over. Here is the culprit. So this is actually from the hood quick releases. So we go up here. These things right here, the hood pin latches, whatever you want to call it. So we're gonna have to chop this thing right here very carefully, and just chop this whole thing off, because this is honestly blocking the headlight. And then after that, hopefully it fits on with this big intercooler piping. So yeah, let's chop this off and we'll see if it actually works. It worked. Alright, so I actually tested it and they work. It looks so freaking sick. This is the harness that comes from the new headlight, and it plugs directly into the harness, or the OEM harness, where your turn signal goes. Excuse all the overspray. This is from all the paint jobs we've had on this car. This plug should go to the, I believe it's like the little turn signal right here on the stock bumper, but obviously we don't have stock fenders anymore, so I'm gonna disregard this one. But yeah, it just plugs directly into the OEM turn signal harness. The main harness, obviously you plug in the headlight to the main OEM harness. All that's left is to do the driver's side and throw the bumper on, and then we'll see what it looks like. Guys, it's already looking so much better. All right, we got both of them on, but I actually forgot one more thing. So this is a harness. This connects both of the headlights together and it runs to the fuse box. So this pretty much powers the DRL, or the daytime running lights, which is this super sick LED that runs at the bottom of the headlights. So we gotta connect this in order for that DRL to work on both sides. Alright guys, I found one. So I tapped in the fuse, and this one right here, the HLP one, is exactly which one I tapped into. Headlights are on, everything looks so freaking good. We're actually beating the sunlight right now. It's actually getting really dark. But not driving this thing for so long, guys, oh my gosh, the blow off noise and everything sounds amazing. It sounds so good. Oh my gosh, the pop sounds so good. Oh. Bro, that was like a runner right here. Gosh. The headlights are actually good. I just turned them on just right now for the first time. Yo, they're actually really good. Damn. Oh. Alright guys, we made it to the spot. Let's see what the headlights look like. Damn! That is so different. I'm so not used to that. So used to like that aggressive like boomerang on the headlights, like on the VLANs. But guys, that looks sick. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section below. These are actually like the daytime running lights, or the DRL as they call it. But we'll turn the actual headlight on. Dude, they're actually freaking bright. That's nice. No ugly halogen look. It's like a nice bright white. They're not blue, but they're like a good white. I'm digging them, guys. I love the way they came out. So these are actually sequential headlights. You can actually like switch between a sequential or non-sequential. As you can tell right now, I'm running the non-sequential. But yeah, you can actually switch between the two, whatever you like. Yeah, I dig them, guys. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. We took it back today, a nice little throwback install on an FRS. The first car, the car that started it all, and it was nostalgic. I loved it. But yeah, I'm hyped. I'm hyped on touching the FRS again and actually driving this thing, because this thing drives like no other. Alright, it's getting a little bit dark out here, but let's get some flame shots before it gets too dark. Gotta get out of here now. I don't know what that looked like, but I could see it in the freaking rearview mirror.